Be ready? Start. It may considered rather rash and unwise on my part to stand before this house so immediately, full stop, after my admission here, and my only excuse is that I am under a certain necessity to do so. Full stop. My election for an English constituency is a unique event. Full stop. For the first time during more than a century of settled British rule, an Indian is admitted into the house as a member for an English constituency, full stop, that has, I have said, is a unique event in the history of India, and I may also venture to say in the history of the British Empire. Full stop. I desire to say a few words in analysis of this great and wonderful phenomenon. Full stop. The spirit of the British rule, the instinct of British justice and generosity from the very commencement, full stop, when they seriously took the matter of Indian policy into their hands about the beginning of this century. Full stop. Para decided that India was to be governed on the lines of British freedom and justice. Full stop. Steps were taken without any hesitation to introduce Western education, civilization, and political institutions in that country. Full stop. And the result of that added by a noble and grand language in which the youth of that country begin to be educated, a great moment. Political life was infused into that country which had been